Perfectly grilled. Unpacking the phrase, grilled to a turn. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a deliciously descriptive English phrase, grilled to a turn. This phrase is not only about cooking but also a great example of how English uses vivid imagery. Stick around to learn about its meaning, usage, and origins. Grilled to a turn is a culinary metaphor. When we say something is grilled to a turn, it means it's cooked perfectly. Not undercooked or overcooked, but just right. Imagine grilling a steak on a barbecue. Turning it at the exact right moment is key to achieving the perfect level of doneness. Interestingly, this phrase has transcended its culinary origins. It's now used in other contexts to describe anything done with precise timing or exactness. For example, if someone handles a situation perfectly, responding at just the right time with the right actions, they might be said to have handled it grilled to a turn. The phrase dates back to when cooking was a much more manual process. It required careful attention, especially when grilling. Turning meat at the right moment was crucial, thus the phrase became a metaphor for timeliness and skill. This historical context enriches its meaning and usage in modern English. Let's see it in action. The chef grilled the steak to a turn. It was juicy and flavorful. She handled the negotiations grilled to a turn, securing a great deal. His timing in the comedy scene was grilled to a turn, making everyone laugh at just the right moments. And that's a wrap on grilled to a turn. We hope this video has given you a tasty insight into this phrase's meaning and usage. Remember, English is full of such flavorful expressions, and understanding them can add depth to your language skills. Thanks for watching, and we hope you find your learning journey to be as satisfying as a meal grilled to a turn.